Hello everyone. Today we will understand what is motion. What is this motion? When any object moves from one place to another, we say it is in motion. So, motion is the change in location or position of an object in time. Did you know that everything in the universe is in motion? No? Well, the trees don't move. Even if we see that the tree does not move, but our Earth itself is revolving around the sun. The sun also moves in the galaxy. This means that the tree also moves, right? Maybe the movement is very slight or very slow, but there is movement. Another example is a student is sitting idle on a bench inside a classroom, and the teacher is walking around. How to measure motion? We call it speed. Speed. This speed is used to measure movement. How do we calculate speed? By dividing the distance covered by that object by the time it takes to cover that distance. The unit of speed is m by s, that is meters per second, or km by hr, that is kilometers per hour. Speed is how fast an object is moving. For instance, a car can go at a speed of 60 km per hour. But a person walking could approximately be a 5 km per hour. We see different kinds of movements around us. For instance, moving straight in one direction or in a curve. So, there are different types. Movement in a straight line is easy to understand. It is known as rectilinear or straight line motion. It can be at a constant speed from the start to the end point, or the speed can vary. For instance, a kid running down the stairs is faster first and slows down at the end. So, the speed is changing and it is not the same. It varies. When the speed is changing, we say that the object is accelerating. Accelerating. All of us have experienced acceleration. When we are running, we usually start off fast. And after some time, we get tired and slow down, and the speed is reduced. Or maybe at different times, we run fast and then slow, and again run fast and slow again. Hence, it can change. Similarly, speed changes when we change directions. Acceleration means changing the speed or direction of an object. All movements that are not along a straight line involve acceleration. This means that the object is speeding up, slowing down, or changing directions. Even if you run around a circular track at a constant speed, you are accelerating. As you have to constantly change the direction in order to go around the circular path. Acceleration is caused only when an external unbalanced force is applied on an object. It cannot change the speed on its own. For instance, if a car driver sees a red light, he or she has to apply brakes and stop. This is called deceleration or negative acceleration. Or also slowing down. For instance, a football. In order to change its direction or to make it go fast, we have to kick the ball. Any movement that is not along a straight line is known as curvilinear motion. There are four main types of curvilinear motions. The first one is circular motion. Second is oscillatory. Third is periodic. And the fourth is random motion. Curvilinear motion always involves acceleration. Therefore, there is always an external unbalanced force acting on the object. Circular motion, as the name suggests, means going around a circular path like Earth going around the Sun, or the motion of the hands of the clock. Oscillatory motion is the back and forth motion of a pendulum, or like the swing that we play with. Periodic motion is any motion that repeats after regular time intervals, like the clock or the revolutions of the Earth. The type of motion where speed and direction are constantly changing in an unpredictable manner is known as random motion. Like a dog playing around on a playground. Understand? Now you have learnt what is meant by speed and motion. And there are different types. Now, it will be possible for you to notice the different kinds of motions around you. We are happy to present to you so many different things to learn. Thank you.